जी मैम। मैनेजमेंट के लिए आए
जी
क्या करते थे
सर, वो प्राइवेट जॉब में थे करमचंद अप्लायंसेस में।
हैं?
करमचंद जी
उनका सैलरी सर्टिफिकेट पेश किया है?
जी जी सर, ओरिजिनल
कितना सैलरी मानी है ट्राइब्यूनल ने?
जी सर, लास्ट जनवरी 2000 का है, 19,000 कुछ है।
एक मिनट रुक जाइए, एक मिनट रुक जाइए, मैं देख लेता हूँ, 2 मिनट का
जी
पहले रखिए। Okay. This appeal is filed by the insurance company, by the claimants, sorry, being aggrieved of award dated 29/6/2006, passed by learned 11th Additional Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Jabalpur, in MVC number 211 of 2004, whereby learned Claims Tribunal has awarded a sum of rupees 2,25,000 as compensation on account of death of Shri Nitish Kathane, who died in an accident which took place on 11/2/2000 at about 3:30, when accident had taken place between passenger bus bearing number MP09S 7852 है 1852 है, देखना इसको यार, इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी वैसे मिलेगा बता दूंगा, अभी तो 7852 लिख लो अब, ठीक है ना। एंड टैक्सी बियरिंग नंबर MKC 8160 full stop. Claimant in person Srimati Supriya Kathane, wife of the deceased, submits that impugned award is grossly inadequate and inappropriate. Full stop. It is submitted that deceased was 35 years of age and was working in an international company, namely Karamchand Appliances Private Limited, which had given him appointment on a consolidated salary of rupees 3,07,750 per annum, as is evident from Exhibit P10. Full stop. He was working in the said company since 1998. On the fateful day, he was traveling from Indore to Bhopal in taxi bearing number MKC 8160, but MKC 8160. Full stop. The said taxi was owned by respondent number 3. Sorry. By respondent number 5, Ramesh Yadav, and was driven by Mohammad Rashid. Full stop. It was insured with respondent number 6, New India Assurance Company Limited. Next. Near Jora Dhaba on Indore Bhopal Road, deluxe passenger bus bearing number MP09S 7852, which was driven by driver Lal Singh, had hit the taxi driving the bus in a rash and negligent manner, as a result of which passengers traveling in the taxi, including the deceased Nitish Kumar Kathane, had sustained grievous injuries. They were treated at Bhopal, but as a result of said injuries, Shri Nitish Kathane died. Therefore, claim was filed. Criminal case 31 of 2000 was registered under section 279, 337 later on changed to section 304 capital A IPC, and claim petition was filed seeking adequate compensation. Next para. It is pointed out that Learned Claims Tribunal has considered notional income of the deceased at rupees 1800 per month.
हाँ जी सर, उसमें दे दिया था
1800 ही माना है ना?
माना था वो कोर्ट में, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट।
डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट की बात पूछ रहे हैं आपसे। 1800 rupees per month and has awarded inadequate compensation in favor of the claimants. Full stop. It is submitted that claimants had examined one Shri MP Prabhakar, who was working as in the Karamchand Appliances Company as area sales manager, and he had given his evidence that he was working at Raipur. Full stop. Deceased Nitish was working at Indore office as area sales manager, and he was getting emoluments to the tune of rupees 3,07,750 plus other allowances like daily traveling allowance, headquarter allowance, ex-headquarter allowance, etc. Full stop. Tribunal has arbitrarily not relied on this certificate, which is duly proved by the witness Shri Prabhakar, MP Prabhakar, and has arbitrarily considered income of the deceased at rupees 1800 per month, as is evident from discussion made in para 25 of the award. Next para. After hearing learned appeal, appellant number 1 in person, comma, I am of the opinion that tribunal has erred in passing the impugned award. Next para. Calculator दीजिएगा please. The income which is mentioned in the certificate exhibit P10 cannot be doubted. Full stop. No evidence was led to create suspicion about validity of said certificate. Full stop. Deceased was survived by 5 legal heirs. Therefore, 1/4 is to be deducted towards the living expenses of the deceased. Full stop. 50% is to be added towards the future prospects in the light of the law laid down by Supreme Court in Sarla Verma. Full stop. Thereafter, since tribunal has accepted the age of the deceased to be 35 years, multiplier of 16 will be applicable, taking total pecuniary compensation to rupees 55 lakhs 39,500, over and above which claimant number 1 is claimants are entitled to a sum of rupees 70,000 under the head of loss of estate, comma, funeral expenses and loss of consortium. Full stop. Besides this, deceased is survived by 2 children. They are full stop. They are entitled to a sum of rupees 40,000 each under the head of loss of love and affection of the father, under the head of in terms of the law laid down by Supreme Court in Satvinder Kaur. Thus, claimants will be entitled to total compensation of rupees 56 lakhs 89,500 in place of rupees ऊपर आया 2 lakhs कितना दिलाया 2 lakhs है कितना आया था कितना दिलाया मैडम नीचे
जी जी सर
कितना दिलाया था नीचे
2,25,000
2,25,000 है कितना है देखना है इसमें अवार्ड 2,25,000. Thus, there will be an enhancement to the tune of rupees 54,64,500 to which claimants will be entitled to. Full stop. Other terms and conditions like interest and appropriation will amongst the different claimants will be made in the same ratio as awarded by the claims tribunal. Full stop. It is directed that this additional amount be invested in monthly income scheme of Indian Post Office / nationalized banks for a period of 5 years, for a period of 10 years and 5 years respectively, so to earn so that claimants may be entitled to use the interest for their well-being and daily needs. In above terms, appeal is allowed and disposed of. 500 रुपये और कम कर देना भाई, 2,25,500 ये लीजिएगा।